Snow, ice, mud, and weight push machines beyond comfort and expose the difference between raw power and real engineering. This is not about machines fighting nature. It's about understanding it, working with it, and knowing the limits. Welcome to green technology, where experience, engineering, and environment meet. In conditions like this, the job would be nearly impossible without chains. Deep snow changes everything. Tractors perform well, but only when traction is managed correctly. Without load, even power struggles to reach the ground. The surface is slick, almost like driving on glass. That T16 tractor only needs one thing: engagement. Once the additional systems come online, the automatic differential lock kicks in. And just like that, the traction problem disappears. Watch this machine climb, a Vladimirets T25A, pulling a fully loaded trailer straight uphill. At the crest, the driver eases off the throttle deliberately. It looks counterintuitive, but moments like this are about control, not force. Ever wondered what happens when a mini tractor charges onto a frozen pond? Stay with it, the ice doesn't negotiate. Now, prepare for a blast from the past. A truly unique sight, a Caterpillar D8H, a classic powerhouse, playfully jumping a snow bridge. It's remarkable not just for the durability of vintage machinery, but for the lighthearted confidence of the operators who know exactly what they're driving. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you find this video interesting. Type 0 if you don't. Winter roads are unforgiving. A Zimnik, as they're called, becomes a deadly trap for a fuel truck. Caught in a blizzard, it slides and overturns. Two dozer operators step in, using steady coordination and skill to recover the load. Just as things come under control, one dozer slips into a frozen creek, a sharp reminder of how fast plans can change in extreme conditions. As the farming season approaches, field preparation becomes critical. But local rivers bring challenges of their own. A powerful dozer is sent in to break through thick ice. It's anything but easy. The operator carefully adjusts blade angles, showing how small decisions can determine real progress in harsh environments. This isn't just logging, it's a dance through the forest. The IMT 560 makes it look smooth, but this takes serious skill. Anyone here ever driven one of these? You've seen tug-of-war with machines before, but a tractor versus human strength is on another level. No tricks, just raw power. Both sides pull with everything they have. Will machinery dominate, or will human endurance surprise us all? The Pony looks sharp and fresh, no doubt. But even with brand new tires, it can't outmatch the timeless strength of an older Valtra. Modern doesn't always mean superior. People often overlook basics like weight checks, and that's when they pay the price. All right, take a look at this. A Valmet 840.3 working through a rough, muddy trail. Notice how it maintains stability despite the terrain. That's smart engineering and solid hydraulics doing exactly what they were designed to do. And this operator has clearly logged countless hours behind the controls. The machine responds smoothly, almost instinctively. A GTZ dozer is unloaded. It's impressive to see the sheer scale of these machines, and it raises the question, why connect road sections instead of simply powering through? Tiriatus labrionitis shows how industrial demolition should be done. Precise control, safety first. Using crushers and hydraulic shears, structures are dismantled piece by piece through planning and coordination. A clear example of experience guiding every action on complex demolition sites.
Holy smoke.
Thank goodness the operator is okay after clipping that curb in the tractor. That could have ended much worse.
That trailer looks like a kid's toy.
That trailer looks like a child's toy behind this machine. We've seen tractors from the 1,940 seconds pull even bigger loads. Looks like someone still knows how to handle the controls.
Aman. Şey la ver kanatı.
3 cheers for the draft horse named Dick, paid in apples and carrots for a job well done. Come on now, watch closely. Who says old can't be bold? A classic workhorse rips out a tree stump buried 1.5 meters deep.
Who says old can't be bold? The Yums, a classic workhorse, just yanked a tree stump buried 1.5 meters deep.
Вот, послать. Не задел.
Пили. Все стоят на изготовке.
Extracting a tractor stuck in ice and water is no small task. This crew clearly knows their tools. Frozen ground, fast execution, no drama, hard work and solid planning shine through a truly impressive effort. This is the kind of scenario that tests both humans and machines to their limits. We're watching a powerful Cat D8N push loader assist a Cat 621B scraper. Their task: move massive amounts of earth. But even giants of the construction world aren't immune to getting stuck. What would you do in this situation? History in motion. The Caterpillar 666, the largest engine scraper CAT ever built, takes its first road journey. Recently refurbished, this giant navigates public roads with surprising grace. Its power and presence are unmistakable, a pure engineering marvel in motion.
Marvel in motion.